Are you unsure when to use the task is no longer blocked trigger in Asana? In this video, we'll walk through the exact moments you should use it, saving you time and helping your team stay on track. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a special bonus you won't want to miss. First off, the task is no longer blocked trigger in Asana is a great way to automate workflows. It's meant to keep your tasks flowing smoothly by alerting you when a task is no longer impeded by a dependency. So when a task that was previously blocked is now ready to proceed, you can set up this trigger to automatically notify you or update the project. Now, let's dive into when to use this trigger, starting with the first thing you need to know, dependencies. This trigger works best when you have tasks that depend on the completion of others. If one task is blocking the progress of another, using this trigger ensures that once the blocking task is done, the dependent task automatically moves forward without anyone needing to manually update it. This can save you lots of time, especially on larger projects. Next thing, team collaboration. If you're working with a team, things can get tricky when one task is delayed. Using the task is no longer blocked trigger will keep everyone in the loop. Instead of manually checking if a task is ready to continue, Asana will automatically notify you when the blockage is resolved. This keeps everyone aligned and helps avoid confusion, making communication smoother. The third thing is workflow automation. If you're managing multiple projects at once, setting up this trigger can help streamline your workflow. For example, if task A is blocking task B, as soon as task A is marked complete, task B will be able to proceed without you needing to intervene. This is crucial if you need your project management system to be as automated as possible, reducing human error and oversight. And now for the fourth thing, efficiency and reporting. Asana allows you to track the progress of all your tasks, but when you're dealing with blockers, it can be hard to visualize where you are. By setting up this trigger, you're not only improving efficiency and workflow, but also ensuring that your reporting is more accurate. You won't have to manually check if blocked tasks are unblocked, so you can focus on reporting real-time progress to stakeholders. So now that you understand the basics, you might be wondering, when is the best time to actually use this? Well, consider applying this trigger when tasks are dependent on external factors or when you have key milestones that depend on others being completed first. Using this trigger ensures that you're only moving forward when it's appropriate, avoiding mistakes or miscommunication. Finally, before we wrap up, remember, you can use Asana for free right now with our exclusive bonuses, so if you haven't yet, be sure to check out the link in the description below. You'll get an extended trial and some helpful perks to really take your project management to the next level. To sum up, using the task is no longer blocked trigger in Asana is perfect for teams working on interconnected tasks. It helps automate the process, keeps everyone aligned, and improves reporting efficiency. You now know exactly when and how to use it in your workflow. Don't forget, you can grab your free extended trial using the link below.